Unit 8. Sound and Echolocation.
Since it is invisible to our eyes, sound is something that is hard to picture. It is a form of energy that is made by vibrations. Imagine tapping two spoons together. The spoons vibrate, causing nearby particles of air to move. These moving particles of air cause other particles of air to move too, just like ripples of water. These movements, which we call sound waves, travel away from their source, the spoons. Eventually, they reach your ear, and you hear the ringing sound the spoons produced. Our bodies have the amazing ability to receive and make sense of these vibrations in the air. When sound waves arrive at your ear, the information gets passed along until it reaches your brain. The brain can determine what made the sound and where it came from. Some organisms, including bats, dolphins, whales, and even specially trained humans, can do even more with sound waves. They use sound to sense their environment through an ability called echolocation. First, echolocators emit sound waves. Then they listen for the echoes of their sound waves bouncing off objects in their environment. These echoes provide echolocators with details about the type, location, size, and movement of objects around them. The length of time an echo takes to return indicates distance, while changes in the sound of an echo provide information about size and texture. Echolocation allows organisms to navigate and hunt in complete darkness, so it is ideal for nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals are those that are active at night, like bats. Bats are probably the world's best-known echolocators. When bats use echolocation, they make ultrasound noises, which are too high-pitched for human ears to hear. Bats' ability to use echolocation is so effective that they can hear a wire that is just 0.08 millimeters wide. They can also hear the difference between things they might want to eat and other, less interesting objects in their environment. In other words, they know whether they have located a delicious moth or a dried leaf. Once a moth has been found using echolocation, the bat grabs the prey in its mouth. Some species of moths have the ability to hear bats' ultrasound and can escape before they become food.